We're looking to AI now, and Meta platforms have released their AI integration offering, whilst dating app Grindr faces a mass data protection lawsuit. Joining me now to discuss is Karen Sutherland of University of the Sunshine Coast. What's been happening with Grindr? What's going on? Tell us more.
Well, Grindr is in big trouble. So nearly 700 people were taking legal action against them for releasing really sensitive and private information around sort of their sexual orientation, even their HIV status, to third parties, which are online advertising platforms and companies. And it's in total breach of the GDPR. Yeah, not good for Grindr.
Well, let's talk about that a bit more. What ethical guidelines should be in place, do you think, for sharing sensitive user data?
It comes back to actually Grindr as an organisation, and allegedly they must have been selling that information to advertisers, because that's great information for advertisers because they can target ads very effectively. This is just an actual ethical breach in terms of that. So I wonder what actually happened there, because users would not have signed up for that. And I'm sure it would not be in the terms and conditions when you sign up for a social media app. That I know sometimes your data is sold, but it's such sensitive information. It was also there, contact details, name, address, email, phone. So yeah, I'm not sure what happened there with Grindr.
Yeah, it's unfortunate to see, especially when it comes to, as you say, this sensitive information. In response to the lawsuit, what steps do you think that companies could take to rebuild that user trust and perhaps demonstrate some dedication to data security? Because as we know, it's always the reputation of brands like this that gets completely shattered.
Absolutely. So I just think they need to have stronger policies in place and actually enforce them to make sure that they're not selling off information, and users need to be really vigilant about what they're signing up for and the information that they're giving, because it's not the user's fault, of course, but just be really clear about what it is. I don't know about you, but often I don't read the terms and conditions as closely as I should. I think it really pays to read those carefully before signing up.
All 300 pages of them, hopefully. But
yeah, I know. Well, it's like they don't want you to read them, hey?